all, welcome back to Pabli, and in this video I'll show you how you can bulk upload contacts to HubSpot in a one click. And as you can see over here in my HubSpot CRM, I don't have any contacts right now. But as you can see in this sheet, I have the details of approximately 21 customers. Now what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to click on this extensions, Pabli Connect Webhooks, and then send all data. Once I'm going to click on this send all data, it is saying working, so I'm just going to wait few seconds, and once this working is completed, I'm just going to open my HubSpot CRM and we're going to refresh this contacts page. Once I'm going to refresh this contacts page, you're going to see multiple contacts are created in a single click. And as you can see now, total number of 9 contacts are created, but once we're going to refresh it, the number is going to increase because the contacts are getting created one by one. And yes, these are getting created without any manual intervention using Pabli Connect. So I've created this automation where whenever I'm just going to click on this extensions, Pabli Connect Webhooks, and then send all data, automatically all of this data will be sent towards my workflow, and using the same details, new contacts in HubSpot CRM will be created in a single click. Like this, I can upload bulk contacts in my HubSpot, and in this video I'll show you how you can also create this amazing automation. So for that, you have to open your workflow builder inside Pabli Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabli.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabli Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabli Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can create up to 100 of contacts for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabli Connect and if you like it, you can definitely purchase the subscription plan of Pabli Connect, and for that the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below. You can use the discount coupon code in order to get a very good discount on the subscription plan of Pabli Connect, and this discount coupon code is only for the ones who watch our YouTube videos. So if you watch our YouTube videos, this discount coupon code is just for you. But first, try Pabli Connect, try this automation. If you like it, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription for Pabli Connect for your business. Alright, so this is the most important window of our automation because we have triggered an action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this, you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. And now for the trigger application, we have to search for Google Sheets, because using Google Sheets, we're just going to get the details of our leads. And for the event, we're going to select it as new or updated spreadsheet row and click on this connect. We have received this webhook URL. So copy this webhook URL and open your Google Sheets. Now you have to go towards this extensions, add-ons, and then towards this get add-ons. Now you have to add an extension in your spreadsheet which is named Pabli Connect Webhooks. So go on the search apps and search for Pabli Connect Webhooks, and you're going to see that this is the extension which you have to install. I have already installed this extension right over here, but if you haven't, you have to first install this extension and then you have to refresh this spreadsheet. It is really important that you refresh your spreadsheet, otherwise you'll not be able to see the option of this Pabli Connect Webhooks right over here in your extensions tab. Once you see this Pabli Connect Webhooks option, go on this Pabli Connect Webhooks and then initial setup. Once you're on this initial setup, it is going to ask you for the webhook URL and the trigger column. So like I told you, you just have to simply copy your webhook URL from your workflow and paste it right over here. For the trigger column, you have to enter the trigger column. So the trigger column will be your final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row will be sent towards the webhook URL. So for me, the trigger column is D, but for you, it can be anything else too. Now you have to click on this submit. Once we click on this submit, it is saying setup configured successfully. This means that we have successfully created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabli Connect, but now it is saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, we have to click on this send test button, and once we click on this send test button, it is saying test data sent successfully. So as you can see that Pabli has also captured this webhook response, which is this first row of the my spreadsheet. And as you can see, now I'm just going to create a new contact in HubSpot using this first row only, and then further I'll just let you know how you can create contacts in bulk too. So you just have to close this and click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for HubSpot right over here and then select HubSpot CRM. For the event, you have to select it as create a contact. Click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between HubSpot and Pabli Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with HubSpot CRM. Once we're going to click on this connect with HubSpot CRM, make sure that you've logged in your HubSpot account, before starting with the automation, and then you have to select the account right over here. Once you select this account, your HubSpot CRM will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After creating this connection, it is going to ask you for many details, but over here you have to enter the details which are required or the details which you have and using which you want to create this contact. So you have to simply enter the details right over here. Like as you can see, it is asking for the email and I want to add this email, but we are not going to enter the email manually by typing it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So as you can see, that I've successfully mapped the email, first name. Now it is asking me for many details, but we are only going to enter the details which are required or the details which I wish to fill in. So as you can see, this is the last name which I wish to fill in, so I'm just going to map it. Now I'm just going to map the phone number and then move on further. It is asking me for n number of more details, but all of these are not required. I'm just going to leave it as blank and click on this save and send test request. And once we're going to click on the save and send test request, we have received the positive response that we have successfully created this contact. So let's open our HubSpot CRM and we're going to refresh it right from here. And once we're going to refresh it, you're going to see a new contact has been created using the same details, be it the name, email or phone number. And not only this, now whenever I'm just going to go to my spreadsheet, extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, and then send all data, all of this data will be sent towards my workflow, and then further a new contact for each of this row will be created in my HubSpot CRM. Not only this, further if I add the new details, the contact for the same will be created if I go to this extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, and switch on the send on event button. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check out my workflow and create this amazing automation for your own business too. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.